fudge. So in this video we'll be making the yellow tiger nut bread. So I already sipped in my flour, then we had our sugar. So for this recipe I will not proof my yeast. I'll just add it directly, half tbs of yeast, because I'm sure that the yeast is active, so there's no need for me to proof it. So I've added it directly into my flour. I'll add my salt and every other ingredient like the nutmeg. So you add our turmeric. Apart from giving it a yellow color, it is also very healthy. It is healthy. This is our tiger nut milk that we're going to use to mix the tiger nut milk. So we first measure a quarter cup into our flour. So this quarter cup of tiger nut milk. Consider it still needs more water, so we add more. I've rinsed the So now we have used about half cup of tiger nuts milk. So that's the difference between, if you proof your yeast before using, you are going to need less quantity of liquid, but if you don't proof before using, you are going to need more quantity of liquid to mix your dough. So that is basically just the issue with the liquid. So you have to be very careful with your liquid. You have to be very careful when adding your liquid. This is about half and quarter cup. You can see, yeah, this is almost too sticky. You can see the yellow color coming out. Yes, you can see it's almost sticky. Yeah, so you have to do is just to clean up your ends. Yeah. Add a little bit of the tiger nut shaft just as aesthetics. So aesthetics are just a way of decorating your bread dough before you bake. So I'm adding the tiger nut shaft, and you can also add some sugar. So it's not compulsory. So to give it an extra taste, you can see the alright then. So I'm going to cover it up now and allow it to cook. So it is ready to be baked. I'm going to bake with my pot now. So our bread is ready. So this is the yellow tiger nut bread. So you know your bread is properly baked. So once you can hear the hollow sound, then your bread is properly baked. So you can now turn it over easily. Yes. Ooh la la. Pot baked. Learned something. I'll see you again. Yellow tiger nuts bread. So I'll see you again in my next video. My camera is not really showing the yellow. It's not really portraying the yellow color very well, but trust me, once you bake it, you get a yellow color. See you again in my next video. Yellow tiger nut milk bread. It's so delicious and creamy. You definitely will want to try it out. You know, tiger nut milk is very delicious drink. So adding it into your bread, you could imagine what the taste would be like.